Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Crypto.com in Australia. Crypto.com is a popular cryptocurrency platform that allows users to buy, sell, and store various digital currencies. To get started, you will need to download the Crypto.com app from the App Store or Google Play Store. First, create an account by providing your email address and password. Then verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Crypto.com. Next, set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. To comply with Australian regulations, you will need to complete the Know Your Customer verification process. This involves providing identification documents such as a driver's license or passport, and proof of address. Once your account is verified, you can deposit Australian dollars into your account using a bank transfer or other payment methods. To buy cryptocurrency, navigate to the Buy section of the app, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, and enter the amount you want to spend. You can also set up recurring buys to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. In addition to buying and selling cryptocurrency, Crypto.com also offers a range of other features, including a cryptocurrency wallet, a credit card, and a rewards program. The Crypto.com wallet allows you to store your cryptocurrency securely, while the credit card offers cashback rewards and other benefits. To keep your account and cryptocurrency secure, make sure to use a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your device and app up to date. It is also important to be aware of the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrency, including market volatility and the potential for losses. By following these steps and using Crypto.com responsibly, you can take advantage of the benefits of cryptocurrency and start building your investment portfolio. Remember to always do your own research, set a budget, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With Crypto.com, you can easily buy, sell, and store cryptocurrency, and take the first step towards a more secure financial future.